The Criminal Code Section 503 Part 1 says that people detained by the police must be brought before a justice for their bail hearing without unreasonable delay or within 24 hours where one is available. If you're in a smaller community, there may be some delay. In Thunder Bay, weekend hearings are for overnight arrests. If the defense counsel and the prosecution cannot agree on conditions, a full contested bail hearing will be held later on. Correctional officers will bring you from the police station or the jail to the courtroom for your bail hearing. At your bail hearing, a judge or justice of the peace will decide if you'll be held in custody or released. The prosecution must show why you should not be released from custody without conditions, as long as you promise to go to court. If they want you to follow more conditions, they must explain why. There are also some situations where you might be asked to show why you should be released while your case is in court. You will only be kept in custody if the judge or justice of the peace is worried that you might not go to your court date, the public might not be safe with you out on bail. Because of the circumstances of your offense, the public might lose trust in the criminal justice system if you are given bail. An adjournment is when your bail hearing is moved to another day because the court does not have enough time to hear all the cases. If your hearing is adjourned, you will have to wait in custody. You or your lawyer can request an adjournment, for example, when you need more time to prepare for your hearing. At your bail hearing, the prosecution lists the charges, reads in the allegations against you, and discusses whether you have a criminal record. Your lawyer will tell the court about your bail plan, which they will have helped you make. You may choose to testify about your bail plan, where you'll swear in an oath and answer questions that your lawyer and the prosecutor ask. The prosecutor is not allowed to ask you questions about your case unless you talk about it first. If you're granted bail, you will likely have to follow conditions set by the court. If you refuse the conditions, you will likely be detained and have to go through another hearing. Once released, breaking any of your bail conditions is a criminal offense.